The proverb, "an Ethiopian will not change his skin," means that people cannot change their essential nature or characteristics, and that one's race or ethnicity is an innate aspect of their identity that cannot be altered. Expanding on this proverb, we can say that it emphasizes the importance of accepting and embracing one's identity and heritage, and recognizing the value and uniqueness of different cultures and backgrounds. It also highlights the futility and harm of attempting to change or deny one's identity or ethnicity, and the importance of celebrating and respecting diversity. Furthermore, the proverb can also be interpreted as a warning against discrimination and prejudice. It serves as a reminder that individuals should be judged based on their actions and character rather than their race or ethnicity. Discrimination and prejudice can be harmful and perpetuate negative stereotypes and attitudes toward certain groups, leading to social and economic disparities and a lack of understanding and empathy. In summary, the proverb, "an Ethiopian will not change his skin," emphasizes the importance of accepting and embracing one's identity and heritage, and recognizing the value of diversity. It also warns against discrimination and prejudice, and serves as a reminder to judge individuals based on their actions and character rather than their race or ethnicity. By embracing and respecting diversity, we can foster a more inclusive and equitable society.